Guys, today we're trying Keeler's Gummy Grape. I never tried this before, so don't mind the talking in the background. This is my mom. So let's try it. Ooh. Eek. Okay. Wait. I always like this part. The skin part. So let's try the jelly.
Check ko lang po muna sa staff ko.
Oh my god! Okay, very fine. I didn't taste anything on like the jelly part. But I'm trying to this one. Okay. Guess what? Girl, I don't even taste anything. Let's try again.
Hello?
Oh, it looks like this. It looks cute.
Mamaya available po kayong
I don't know if I like it or not. So bad.
50 kg.